Hello and welcome to English with Ruddy. Today in this section of common mistakes in English, we will look at two words. And these two words are, if we look at these two words, they look almost similar, but they are completely different. To avoid making mistakes with these words, we obviously have to understand how they are used. But before we do so, let's look at these two sentences. Can you find out the mistakes in these two sentences? Alright, let's look at the correct answers. As you can see here, we've made mistakes between your and you are. So what's the difference between these two and how are they used? Let's find out. Your, which is spelled Y-O-U-R, is a possessive pronoun. So what is a possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun which is used to show possession or to whom something belongs. For example, your house, your car, your computer, and so on. You are, on the other hand, is a short form of you and are. You are is commonly used in spoken English. So how do we use you are? You are is used with adjectives. For example, you're happy, you're right, you're good, you're interested, you're tired, you're intelligent. Now you know what the difference between these two words are. Let's see how do we use them in a sentence. So I'll give you 4 sentences. Try to complete the sentences by using your or you are. And these 4 sentences are. Now keep in mind that your is a possessive pronoun and your is a combination of you and are. So have you found the answers? Alright, let's take a look at the answers. Did you get all of them right? If not, don't worry. I have 4 more sentences to test your knowledge. Let's take a look. So do you know the answers? If you do, leave the answers in the comments below. I will share the correct answers in my next video, and I will also share some of your answers. If you have any questions and if you want me to make such videos on common mistakes in English, please leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.